Hello, my name is Nicholas John Matique, and I'm the founder, owner, CEO, and chief engineer of the best welding company. And what we have here is the Generation 1 Tig Torch, and it's a 350 amp Tig Torch. It's made entirely out of carbon fiber, making it the strongest in the industry. I'm also the first one in this industry to use carbon fiber as a primary building material. Also, for the first time in the industry, we no longer have to run back to our welding machine to adjust the power setting ever again, because you can now do so in the palm of your hands. As you can see, all the way from its minimum setting, all the way to its max setting, and everything in between. So this is the welding equivalent of the TV remote control, the video game controller, the key fob, and any other piece of equipment that allows us to have complete and utter control over another machine in the palm of our hands. As you can see, this saves a lot of time, it can save money, it saves effort. It can save medical costs. In some cases, it can save your life. I mean, there's nothing more annoying than being in a factory 30 feet up in the air and have to sit there and climb down a ladder again because we didn't adjust the power setting right the first time. So now we can do that all in the palm of our hand right here. So this will be on the market shortly. I'm in the process of buying welding machines so I can hook this up to, so I can create a series of instructional videos for my customers to do so. And at the most, you'll have to hook 4 wires up. So it's an incredibly simple process. And I also have several more generations. The Generation 2 Tig Torch will allow you to control all the presets that come with your existing welder in the palm of your hand, whether that be arc control, pre-flow, post-flow, wire feed for the MIG welders, the power setting, etc., and whatever your machine comes with. So this is the only one that's going to be on the market right at the moment. It's the Generation 1, and I look forward to hearing your comments and hearing your feedback. So thank you for your time.